Alright, data wizards, it's time to spice up our workflow to import our PDF data into Excel like a pro. We'll need some nifty tools. I will make some comments and start by installing Java. Join the EG Geeks community, hit that like button, and let's learn together. Imagine you are a detective trying to solve a mystery. To do this, you need special tools to gather and analyze clues. In the world of brain science, EEG is used to measure brain activity. To understand this data and solve the brain's mysteries, we need to use some special computer programs. These tools work together to help us turn the raw data from an EEG into something we can understand, like a map of brain activity. Think of it like turning a bunch of scribes into a beautiful painting. Java is like a toolbox. Java provides the basic tools and instructions for many other computer programs to run. It's like a foundation of a house. In our case, Java helps run other programs that we'll use to analyze EEG data. Miniconda is like a suitcase. It's a suitcase that carries all the essential tools you need for a specific job. Jupyter Notebook it's like a digital notebook. Jupyter is a special kind of notebook where you can write down your thoughts, do calculations, and create pictures. But instead of writing on paper, you're writing on computer code. It's like having a personal lab where you can experiment and learn. Python is the language we'll use to talk to the computer. Well, Java provides the foundation for many other programs to run. Miniconda gives us a convenient way to manage the tools we need, including Python. Python is the language we use to write instructions, and Jupyter Notebook is the environment where we write and run those instructions. Together, these tools help us turn raw EEG data into valuable insights about the brain. The first program we will install is Java. You Google JDK Java downloads, and you are in Java downloads page. We go to, in my case, Windows, and x64 installer, download, save, and just next. It will be installing program files Java JDK 23. Okay. Now Java is installed, but we have a very important step to do. First, check Java installation. Java here. Copy this path. We copy this path, and we must append this path to system path variable to enable Windows to find the Java installation. It's also easy. Environment here, environment variables. We use the second window. We edit, we go to path and edit, new, Ctrl V, program files Java JDK 23 bin. Okay. And one last thing. Now we go to new, and let's call it anything. For example, Java home, and variable value is okay, JDK 23 without bin. Okay, that's it. Java is ready for work. Okay, that's it. Next time we will install Miniconda.